Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a textured abstract painting on canvas using hot glue, gesso, and acrylic paint. First, prime the canvas with gesso and then let it dry. Apply hot glue with a hot glue dispenser in the pattern or design you desire. Allow hot glue to cool and harden, and then apply another coat of gesso to help the acrylic paint stick to the hot glue, and allow to dry. Apply acrylic paint with a flat paintbrush. I'm painting this canvas with aqua green, white, raw sienna, and Prussian blue. Blend each color into the one next to it. And then allow the acrylic paint to dry fully before continuing. Highlight the raised textured areas by applying paint with a cosmetic sponge wedge. The smooth, flat surfaces of these sponges are perfect for applying paint to the texture. Allow the paint to dry for a few days, and then you can seal the canvas with a matte varnish if desired. You can use this texturing technique to create your own abstract painting designs. and create your own masterpiece on any size canvas with any color. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions and suggestions, and please check out the description box for an art supply list and more info. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.